YouTube, I'm stuck in the past. Oh, well, anyway, all things aside, today's episode is going to be looking a little bit more onto the horse side of things. We've actually been given an amazing opportunity where a friend of ours has a trailer that they've had sitting for a while, and they want to see it go to a good home. They know it's not in the perfect shape it could possibly be in, but we're going to take a hold of it and we're going to make it everything we've always wanted. So please join me for that. It's going to be a crazy adventure. It's probably going to take more than a few episodes to show you all of it, but today's the day we're going to pick it up. So I got here, forgot all about the camera. That's how excited I am. But we got her hooked up. I'm about to pull her over to the barn that's here on this property so I can put air in the tires, and then we're gonna see how she rolls. Don't you hate it when that happens? Oh well. Well, she moved, and you would have seen that, and it would have been great, but, well, sometimes life just works that way, but that's okay. We moved it, it actually rolls, all the wheels are free, so I'm going to fill up the tires, and we're going to head on our way down the road. Any mean sketchesary. Fun fact, one of my biggest, more rational fears is that one of these tires, as dry rotted as they are, could blow up in my face while I'm filling them up. So I'm always a little dodgy around them when I'm filling them up after they haven't been touched for close to 10 or 15 years. But it all worked out and nobody died. So there it is. It's our new stock trailer. I'm going to go up there and flip that lid back down before I get going down the road. But all the tires are up and we're going to limp her home, and then we're going to get her nice and cleaned up and we're going to get her going. Always make sure your flaps are closed before you go down the road. Alright guys, we're gonna head home now. So hopefully that's the next thing you see is me pulling into the driveway, because we're off and she's pulling. Hey YouTube, dare I speak so soon? That's our driveway and we got here without a hitch. Kind of awesome when stuff like that works, isn't it? So let's see if we make the missus really happy with this one. Something tells me they might think that I'm coming down the driveway already. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a couple of happy customers here today. Oh, look at her, she's already taking pictures too. I wonder if she knows I'm filming her filming me. Guess we'll find out. Looks like they got this pretty covered. I think I'm going to sit here and watch.
Did you, I was like, did you,
Well, we're running out of daylight, and I bet you it's getting harder and harder to see, but it actually came out all right. So I think a little bit extra cleaning got to make her work a little harder, and it'll look so much better. Kidding. She's going to kill me later tonight is what she's going to do. Yeah. But no, I think there's a lot of potential left in this trailer. So this trailer is probably going to turn into a series, so please join me for it. This was step one. Bring it home and clean it. I'm being stared at right now. She's thinking about killing me, I'm telling you. I'm gonna run now. Anyway, this is Stuck in the Past. I had to run pretty quick, and you join me next time on YouTube. There she is. Oh God. Oh no! Oh!